In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Wix website quickly and easily. Whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or just someone looking to share their creativity online, publishing your site is an essential step. Let's walk through the seamless process together. First things first, begin by logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, head straight to your site's dashboard. If you haven't been there before, think of this as your command center. It's where you manage all aspects of your website. Don't worry if it seems a little overwhelming at first. With some practice, you'll find it incredibly intuitive. Next, you'll want to click on the Design Site button. This will get you into the Wix website editor, which is where all the magic happens. The editor offers you a visual and very user-friendly interface, making it easy to design and update your site to fit your vision. Now that you're in the editor, you can start modifying your site's content and design. This includes changing text, colors, images, and layouts. This is your opportunity to make your website truly yours, so take your time to explore the options and features that Wix provides. Remember, your site's appearance sends a message about you or your business, so align it with your personal brand or style. If you feel stuck, Wix also offers a variety of templates and tools to inspire you. Once you're satisfied with the design and layout, it's time to customize the elements further. Dive deeper into the customization options. Maybe you want to add a contact form, an image gallery, or even connect your social media profiles. Wix provides these capabilities and more, ensuring that your site doesn't just look great, but is also fully functional. After you've completed your customizations, the next step is to update and preview your changes. Click on Update to make sure everything you've worked on is saved. Then, it's time to hit Preview. This step is vital, as it allows you to see how your site will look to your visitors. Take a moment to browse through the pages, click on links, and make sure everything